So today we're going to find out if the VGA cable that has absolutely nothing on it but a cable is just a scam or if it's legit. Normally when you buy a VGA thing for a Dreamcast, you know, you got to spend like $30 to $50 on a box like this. But for like $3, you can get a cable that has nothing but just pass-through. So we'll see how it works. We'll try the box and then we'll try the cable. Yeah, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Whoa. Whew. How am I supposed to plug this into this? Guess we gotta go to a really high-end monitor that has detachable cables. Well, damn! I didn't need to spend the money on this box. Although I'm glad I did, just because, well, I guess I could have just bought again, like a 50-cent connector that would convert that. This monitor's not properly calibrated, but it still looks pretty damn good. In fact, part of why I'm clearing this desk off and doing this is so I can calibrate this monitor. Yeah. Cool.
Big swamp. How's that fun? No. Yes. What?
Yeah. Boy, look at that one go. Wow.
Wait,
what's this one? I have not herka-durka-blurgen.
Flurga-flurga-blur?
Skarken flugen parken.
Yes. I agree.
Man, look at that go. Look how fast it is. Man, is that a new AMD? What? No. No, it's a Pentium. And boy, is it faster than the competition. And I don't give a Uh-huh. Yeah? I can't hear you over Pentium treading some water. Pentium's a really fast swimmer.